In today's video, I am going to show you how to recover your disabled Instagram account in 2023. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So in order to recover your disabled Instagram account, what you need to do is to open your internet browser, and in the search bar, you need to type disabled Instagram account recovery. Click on search. Now scroll down and click on this option that says disabled Instagram account. Scroll down and below this was this helpful tab, select no and then click on other. Okay, now in this box you need to briefly state the issue that you are facing. You have to write down that your Instagram account was disabled and now you want to recover it. Personally, I would suggest that you just copy paste the paragraph that I have put in description below. Once you have done that, tap on submit, and after you click on submit, within the next 24 hours your disabled Instagram account will be recovered. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.